Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sander for cabinets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER Mouse Detail Sander. This mouse sander from BLACK+DECKER has the power most people want from any handheld sander, but has a tapered end that can remove old paint from narrow corners and refurbish lackluster angles and detail work. Aside from its expected features, it has a convenient dust collection system that maintains a better work environment by capturing hazardous particles. This one also comes with a finger attachment for sanding tighter spaces that even a mouse sander couldn't reach on its own. I used to have the Orbital sander, however, this detail sander worked out much better for my project, described a buyer. I'm currently sanding some kitchen cabinets, so getting into those crevices would have been quite difficult, if not impossible, with the Orbital sander. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Makita 1/4 in Sheet Finishing Sander. The large swath of sandpaper on this Makita sander is perfect for polishing up cabinets, and its rubberized grip makes it comfortable to hold for long stretches of time. Because of its rectangular shape, many customers noted that the finishing sander is also superb at tackling angles and getting into tight 90-degree corners. It also has a handy dust collection system. As a note, several reviewers noted a couple of years back that some of the machines were malfunctioning, but the sander has seemed to improve since then. And plenty of customers found success in using them for finishing cabinets. After using this sweet baby for about 1 hour on the kitchen cabinets, I'm very happy with it, began one person. The sandpaper is very easy to load, much easier than the others I tried, and it stays put. The plastic punch template for punching holes in the sandpaper works nicely. At number 3, we have the Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. Though this small random orbital sander may only be 3.5 pounds, it has quite a few helpful features and is just the right size for handling a cabinet project. The handle on Bosch's model makes it easy to hold, and reversely, the grips on its underside ensure that the sanding discs won't come unhinged. The machine has a unique dampening system, too, that helps prevent swirl marks that often come with circular motions through the use of a built-in pad. It has variable speed control, so users can set it to their liking. And to prevent unwanted dust from infringing on a workspace, the sander has microfiltration technology that many reviewers noted was surprisingly effective. Its dust collection port can also be hooked up to a vacuum hose if needed. The sanding Velcro surface remains near perfect and grabs the sanding discs perfectly, even after a few thousand, wrote one reviewer who has had theirs for 3 years. The sander doesn't chatter across wood. You can flat sand completely from the middle or edging. At number 2, we have the SKIL Corded Detail Sander. This small sander from SKIL will help users fly across flat surfaces and get into tight spaces and tiny nooks thanks to its mouse shape. While it's not the most high-tech sander, when it comes to sanding things like kitchen cabinets, this budget option is worth considering. Shoppers have relied on this great tool to remove paint and resurface older cabinets thanks to its discs that latch on and won't let go. As long as buyers are wary of not applying too much pressure, it leaves a great finish on wood. It also produces fewer vibrations than larger sanders, making it more comfortable to operate. The extra cost involved in getting a more powerful machine that's equipped for extensive projects isn't worth it if DIY tasks and one-offs are in the plan. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita Direct Electric Random Orbital Sander. If budget is of no concern, but the quality is the top priority, Makita's brushless sander is hard to beat. The Random Orbital Sander is the smallest of the brand's DEROS line, but it can still deliver great results and work well under longer run times thanks to its brushless motor. It also has variable speed capabilities, which are controlled digitally. And, because of its small ergonomic size and lack of vibration, one reviewer found it alleviated their carpal tunnel and others found sanding for hours was pain-free. It's rather simple to hook up this sander to shop vacuums, and Mirka even has its own set for doing so that includes the sander for a dust-free experience. If there is any trouble with the machine, this DEROS model can hook up to Bluetooth and give a detailed description of what's malfunctioning along with other analytics. This thing is almost silent, smooth as silk, dustless if you want it to be, and as strong as my air sanders, wrote one person.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.